Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download maps to use them in offline mode. First, open Google Maps app. Then press on top right corner. Press on offline maps. And now you can select your own map to download it to use it in offline mode. Let's press on select your own map. Now I can zoom in, zoom out, and go to right or left to choose my map. I will set it to Berlin and zoom in, and then press download. Now let's wait for the map to download. Now the map has been downloaded, so we can use it in offline mode. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.